Building strong habits. Your key to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're focusing on a very powerful phrase: build strong habits. Understanding this concept is not just about language learning. It's about transforming your life. So, let's explore how building strong habits can lead to success and personal growth. Build strong habits is a phrase that encourages the development of consistent, positive behaviors that you perform regularly. Building implies a process, indicating that this is not something that happens overnight. It requires effort, time, and dedication. Strong habits refer to practices that are robust and beneficial, contributing positively to your goals and overall well-being. Strong habits are the foundation of personal and professional success. They help you achieve your goals by making consistent progress, improve productivity by automating good practices, enhance self-discipline by sticking to routines even when it's challenging, boost your confidence as you see the results of your persistence. Understanding the importance of strong habits can motivate you to identify, develop, and maintain the habits that will most contribute to your achievements. Building strong habits involves several key steps. 1. Identify the habits you want to develop that align with your goals. 2. Start small to ensure consistency and avoid burnout. 3. Create a routine that incorporates your new habits into your daily life. 4. Stay consistent even when progress seems slow. 5. Track your progress and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. 6. Adjust and refine your habits as needed to keep them effective. Each step is crucial in transforming small actions into powerful habits that propel you towards your dreams. Building strong habits is not without its challenges. You might face lack of motivation, resistance to change, frustration with slow progress. Overcoming these challenges requires patience, flexibility, and a positive mindset. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Embrace the journey and learn from the setbacks. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of the phrase, build strong habits. Remember, the habits you build today shape the future you create for yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your efforts transform into success. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see the strong habits you'll build on your journey to mastering the English language and beyond. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.